You are going to love the 2019 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.